Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will discuss about centrioles and microtubule organizing center and remaining organelles of the cells except nucleus. Centrioles and microtubule organizing center. Microtubule organizing centers are the specific places near the nucleus of the cells that are non-membranous, and they give rise to various substances or various structures. One of the structure of them is centrioles. Centriole is found near the cell nucleus, and they are usually two in numbers. They consist of the microtubules with consist of 9 triplets of the microtubules, like they consist of 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 9 times, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And in this way they composed of these triplets of microtubules 9 times, and they perform various functions like formation of spindle fiber during in the cell divisions like mitosis and meiosis, and centrioles replicate each other at the time of cell division, and they move opposite to each others. Then we will talk about vacuoles. Vacuoles are the sac-like organelles that are used for the storing of the various chemicals, and they also help in turgor movement and storing water and fresh water environment. They are used for the storage of excess fresh water, and they are also used for storage of many waste products. Example means fresh water like organisms like protozoa and sponges have contractile vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles are the vacuoles in which water is moved inside, and they are pumped it to the outside to maintain the organism internal environment, and they also help in movement and maintenance of proper shape for them. Then there are the walls. They are the mysterious symmetrical shelves. They are like cathedral heads and octagonal organelles, like they consist of 8-sided rings. This one, and their shape is similar to cathedral ceilings, and this octagonal this organelle has special functions. Maybe it used to transport substances from cell nucleus to outside of the cell environment, because their shape is similar to that of nuclear pores, so they can pass through the nuclear pores and transport material inside and outside of the cell nucleus, and so they will act as a molecular truck. They transport different molecules from inside the nucleus to the cytoplasm, and from cytoplasm to inside the nucleus, and they consist of double structures, like any substances that is packed inside them, and then they are closed. Here they are open, and molecules are closed in them, and they are closed, and they are ready to dock inside and outside of the cells. So they are recently discovered more beautiful and strange organelles. Then there are the exosomes. Exosomes are the substances, are the vesicles that transport substances from inside to the outside of cells. Means any substance that has to be exocytosed from the cells is packed inside the exosome and transported out of the cells. In past, they were discovered and was considered that they used to transport waste material from inside the cell to outside, but recent discoveries have also confirmed that they used to transport genetic material from one cell to another cell, also transport various signals from one cell to other cells, and they contain specific proteins, lipid, genetic materials that can be transported from one cell to another cell. They are small in size, and secreted by most of cells. Like most of substances transport substances from one cell to other cell, and almost every cells have to transport material from inside to outside, or from one cell to another cell. So they are secreted by almost all type of cells. They help in tissue repair, neural communications, and transfer of the pathogenic proteins from one cell to another cells. Then we will talk about nucleus information center in next lecture.